It's really nice to listen to Sergey and Sanders. Thank you very much. We will start with just a little reminder how we always start at 2026 from the Greenfield project when you start to implement any kind of AI development. There's always some human, there's always some built-in engine that can be Claude, as Sergey said, Cursor, whatever. If you don't remember or you don't know, maybe this part of widgets that you are looking or utilities that you are launching for Claude, it's already an agent. It's a built-in agent, just a reminder. And so, always we start from the built-in agent and some code. For our example, I'm get some really simple MCP code, MCP server code. So I downloaded from public GitHub repository just to check the method. I can show you this with the inspector. We try to connect to it. We started. We try to listen tools. It has some tools. We can run it and it's not working, but it's not matter because we will be fixing it or implement it. So, in the real world, when you have a bigger code base, you always struggle with two things. How I'm start, what agent do I need? Do I need agent? Maybe do I need to use some already built framework like get this shit done, or for example BMAD for team complexity, or any kind of other agent skills, workflows that you can find on Instagram, Reels, GitHub, public repo, where's everybody speaking in it. You struggle with it. As Sergey said before, if you always will work with a clear context, that means that on this repository we have the clear context. It's only code base, and you start to try, for example, analyze this repo. It will be start doing something. Yeah? You can increase the prompting, you can write the documentation, update the README, make some interesting stuff. But the main reason that is really important, because if you open again for other developer or other PC or other context window analysis repo, you will get again fully different results. So what we need to do and how we can show this, why the specific agentic is good. We already run this prompt, we get some analysis, I don't know, it's good or not good, some state, behavior, it's not generating any artifacts. If I open again, say analysis repo, it will be do something again same. It can be or the same window, or the same answers, or the same tables. It's starting from scratch, it's trying to implement, okay. Oh, yes, and now we have the architecture diagram. Wow, nice. Why it's not like this one? So, I already get some public framework that you always try to use when you come to the working with code bases, because you try to search information. For example, I want to start agentic and I need to map our stack. Okay, we have some already built-in skill that I will run, and we will I try to understand what it will do and why it's bad for your stuff. This skill is, first of all, mostly all the frameworks that you can find on the internet is based on Claude, because Claude have aggressive marketing, it's more popular, it have another structure. It's fine, it can work with any kind of code bases, but it will be first generating some artifacts that you do not need, for example, CloudMD, some project folders, some profilers. That's not used it's not needed in your